Hi everyone, I'm Suyok from Online Help Guide. In today's video, I will show you how to protect IP address in calls on WhatsApp. Securing your IP address helps maintain your privacy, preventing potential tracking during voice and video calls. So, let's get started on how to protect IP address in calls on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, go to the privacy settings. Scroll down and tap on the advanced option. Here, you can see the protect IP address in calls option. To activate this feature, simply tap the toggle switch next to it. Once it's turned on, your IP address will be protected during WhatsApp calls. And this is how you can protect IP address in calls on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.